Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on the Exodus Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Exodus Wallet application on your device. And once you proceed forward with your PIN code or your biometrics, you will be logged in and taken to your homepage. Now, if you wish to receive crypto from someone, then you will need to provide them with your wallet address. To find your wallet address for each of the coins, you can tap on the Receive button and then choose the crypto that you are going to receive. After choosing your crypto, you will then be shown your wallet address and your QR code. You can directly share your QR code by tapping on the Share button, or you can copy your wallet address by tapping on the Copy icon. Now you can send this QR code or your wallet address to anyone that wishes to send you crypto. And for the sender, all they need to do is enter the amount and then proceed forward with your wallet address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the Exodus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.